Hey everyone, it's Jess and Cliff back with ya. Today we're going to explain how to use your GE dryer that's compatible with a front load washer. It doesn't matter if your model looks different, we're covering all of the essential steps. You might have noticed the stainless steel drum in select front load models. These drums resist rust and protect your clothes so that you can feel good about every load. Before you start, remember to level your machine. This minimizes noise and movement, which is especially important due to the higher spin speeds of front load models. Door swing is crucial too. Ideally, your washer and dryer doors should open away from each other to make transferring loads easier. And yes, not all manufacturers' doors are reversible, but many of ours are. Check the product specifications and our YouTube channel for guidance. Now, let's talk day-to-day usage. Yes, front load controls provide a lot of options, but with this video and a little bit of practice, you'll know how each of them work and benefit your laundry day in no time. When loading, sort your clothes by fabric type to avoid over-drying. Remember, a thin sock will dry faster than a fleece jacket. Used your unit before? Now's a good time to check the lint filter. Some models will display a clean filter reminder after each cycle, and it's a good habit to develop. To get started, press the power button, then select a dry cycle. Drop a towel? No worries. Just hit the start button again to pause your cycle and throw it in. Dryer cycles are based on fabric types. Fabric blends prefer medium heat, while delicates and synthetics do best on low. You'll also find quick dry for those rush days and wrinkle care for hour-long no-heat tumbling. Premium models take it a step further and offer options like sanitize and eco-dry. For creased clothes, we've got steam de-wrinkle and steam refresh, ideal for larger loads and reducing wrinkles. Just remember, don't use these cycles on delicates and make sure water is turned on for the steam sanitize cycle. Looking for the easy button? Our washer link allows the washer and dryer to communicate, taking the guesswork out of laundry. And with Wi-Fi, you can monitor your cycle from anywhere. Want personalized settings? Use the My Cycle button to remember your favorite cycle selection. For example, if you always sanitize your activewear, My Cycle will remember that. We're feeling pretty good about how to use our GE front load compatible dryer and hope you are too. Thanks for joining us today. Happy drying!